guys, right, I just wanted to do a quick testimonial for Base Van. Rupert at Base Van's been phenomenal from start to finish, with advice and customer care. The other guys there as well, Robin, Rory, some of the other guys, I'm not sure what their names are, but the whole team there is fantastic. Down to earth yet professional. They're just great all round. 5 stars, definitely would recommend them. If you're looking to start a campervan project, then definitely hit them up. I'm more than chuffed with them. So thanks a lot, guys.